construction or spots of glue or any imperfections in the concrete that could be hand scraped or machine sanded off, that's a good idea. Sweep up all the loose debris, and then what I did was I came in with a good sized shop vac, vacuumed the whole floor, all the corners, even underneath all your baseboards, just to get all the debris out. And then we washed the floor, and I just used a little bit of neutral cleaner. And don't have to rinse it, just wash it down, let it dry. That'll keep from the dust coming through any of the joints as you're walking. This is going to be my board I need. I step it back one board, and I use a full board to get the difference. So if I measure that, it's almost 5 inches. Squirt off the room. I tried to find a good starting spot on one corner, so when my end plank is not more than, or not less than an inch or 2 inches. I actually use the laser to square up the room. But you could use measuring tape, straight edges, chalk lines, snap your line, then apply your spray glue. The spray glue comes out pretty wide, so it's good to get a piece of cardboard to protect your walls or any nice surfaces that are already finished. This job was 65 feet long. Elevations company is recommending every 15 feet spray across the boards. So we do a perimeter spray and then measure up every 15. In this case, it was a furniture showroom. We're going to be dragging some furniture over it. High traffic, I did every 10 feet. So basically it looks like a ladder. You spray your perimeter and then you spray every 10 to 15 feet. It's about a foot wide. Let that dry and you begin to lay your floor. It is much simpler than wood. Basically, it's a dry fit. You don't have to lay it. Like when you're installing a wood floor, you have to go with each line. A job like this, you can lay five boards up, and then you'll have all your cuts and just continue on. They fit perfectly. They come out of the cartons perfect. They fit perfectly. Everything butts up real nice. And if you do make a mistake, they're very easy to pull out and replace a board. distributor is Michael Halabian out of Carlstadt, New Jersey. Before we got to the distributor, I called upon Riverside Floor Covering in Riverside, Connecticut, which is my retail shop. And I actually got a hold of Raskin Industries, which John Hunter had made this product ship up here within a week. We were at a 30-day deadline to get this job done to open up housewarmings in Old Greenwich, Connecticut. And everybody did what they were supposed to do.
Not this color, but this
product.
The product.
The product. 6 weeks, no, this color, yeah.
Oh yeah?
Then we knocked ourselves out for about 6 or 8 weeks. Got it toward this, that, and right back around.